my friends. Welcome to today's session of creating music at home. Today we are going to make simple oriental melodies playing just the black keys. And this is one way to create music without feeling any stress, feeling totally relaxed, by letting your fingers play only the black keys. First, play with your left hand number 5 on F sharp and the number 1 on C sharp. And if you're a beginner level, simply find the lowest key of the 3 black keys, the number 1 of the 2 black keys. And when you play these 2 notes together, it sounds just like a Chinese gong. You can do this if you're a beginner, intermediate, or the advanced level. First, let us play with the left hand on F sharp and C sharp. If you're a beginner level, simply look for the lowest key of the 3 black keys here and the lowest key of the 2 black keys here. When you play these 2 notes, it sounds just like a Chinese gong. Next, place your right hand fingers on any 5 black keys. I'm going to place mine on these 3 black keys and these 2 black keys, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us try to make a simple melody with the right hand fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, play the right hand melody with the left hand, the Chinese gong. You can also play it the other way with the right hand moving down like this. Isn't that a pretty Chinese song? If you're in the intermediate level, you may want to challenge yourself with varied rhythms in the right hand melody. Isn't that fun? If you're in the advanced level, try shifting your left hand from the lower range to the middle range. Well, let's start making our oriental music. I hope you enjoyed today's session. In the meantime, continue practicing, stay healthy at home, and enjoy the gift of creating music. Bye-bye.